we're coming into April, and not that I've really got a break or anything from it, but it would appear that normal hay fever has now resumed. I mean, there's so many flowers and shit around. Yeah. I may have just opened some new clothes, but yeah, I've got a cold sore, like I say, the size of. Oh, oh. I woke up really congested. Ew. I wasn't going to film this week. Please excuse my messy hair. I wasn't going to film this week, but be ashamed to waste this. Ew. Oh, yeah. Hey. It's pretty much been like this. And then it gets like an hour's break or so, and it starts again. Ew. Fuck. Ew. Ew. Have a good soak soon. Help with the congestion. But yeah, plus we had the maintenance guy who cuts the grass who did the first lot today. God knows why. It's not, didn't need doing. Ew. I'm spitting all over myself. Shut up. Sorry. But yeah, I don't know. Ew, fuck. Ew. That window's been open. Yeah. Ew, fuck. Oh my god. Ew. Ew. Uh, although, as much as it's been a shit month, because we're in April now, March was probably like the best and the worst month ever, but like there was good and bad. Like obviously there's always good and bad in every month, but it's gonna sound really selfish. But yeah, good and bad. I'm glad that I took the time that I needed. I'll get the sentence out in a minute. Yeah, I'm glad that I got the time that I needed because yeah. Ew. Ew. It's getting really hot as well in here. I can feel it. It's like there. Ew. Fuck. Shut up. It's busy out there. Ew. That's a look, isn't it? Fucking antenna. Okay, I need to have this bath. I need to have this soak.